I got a million ways to get it. Choose one.
Choose one. Hey,
Bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next.
I bet y'all can't guess what I'm doing. Kiwi, so good. Wow, people totally love me, don't they? Just love to keep my car. Look who we got. Yogi. It's Yogi and Daisy. Daisy. What is up, broskies? And yeah, so I don't know, we're gonna go somewhere. I don't know where yet though. I brought the dogs with me. Take them for a ride, I guess, and stop somewhere. I don't know if you can see them. Hello. So yeah, I don't know where we're gonna go yet, but we'll find somewhere. So these dogs are going crazy. They don't listen to me. Well, this is the first time they've gone like out like full. Taken them out before, but never let them off the leash. So they're going wild. Daisy, hey, ready? Go get it. Go Yogi. Where are they going? They just dropped it. Not happy? Found it. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Look at Yogi just trotting behind. It just doesn't even get it. Ay. Dogs. Crazy. They were thirsty. Water quenches your thirst. I threw it and Daisy doesn't even want to go get it. She's tired. And Yogi's still thirsty. Hey, Yogi. Yogi. This is Yogi. And Daisy, a girl. Daisy, what are you doing? What are you smelling? Oh, this boy, he just loves to drink water. And he eats a bunch. He eats the most of them too.
Before I lay 'em. But you won't take the sting out these words before I say them. This ain't the way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man.
When I say that I'm gonna do something, I do it. Oh. Yeah, so look at my hair, I'm extra sweaty. Extra sweaty, guys. Yeah. So we just left. We were there for about 30 minutes. Yeah, dogs got tired. They didn't want to run anymore. Holy crap, guys. Got scared and I thought I lost my, what is it called? My wallet. I can't even see me. I thought I lost my wallet, but it was inside the glove compartment. So yeah, buddy. 30 minutes. 30-minute limit. Who wants to see if we can beat that and go 31 minutes? For real, you want to? Alright, let's go. It is 5:55. Alright. So at 1:26 we have to leave because it'll be 31 minutes and we'll beat the system. Almost someone's birthday. Yeah, so Daniela's birthday is on Saturday. Today's Wednesday, so it's almost here. So I got something. But you'll never find out what it is. I think he wants a hug. So scary. Tinkerbell. You're not scary. Oh, it's So Halloween's coming. What are you guys gonna be? Are you gonna go trick or treating still? A vampire with. What if they give you real teeth? That'd be crazy. They're ugly. Oh, it's so scary. What happens when I get two? They want to fight for one. Yogi just chewing on that bone. Right, Yogi? Where's Daisy? They're happy. Finally got them to separate and each get a different bone. Hey little dog, what are you doing? I love this show. This is the best show in the world. Man vs. Food. Oh.
Yay.
That's a huge burger.
Dude, it's the apocalypse.
The apocalypse burger?
Yeah, the apocalypse. I think it was the apocalypse end.
Oh, this is Eric. So yeah, just getting ready to. Well, I'm gonna wait for my mom and then I'm gonna go work out. So yeah. Are y'all ready to get swole? I am. Let's go get our swole on. See those bad boys? Those are 18 and a halves. Diamonds on my shoes. Diamonds on my diamonds. Why, phone? Why do I have to charge you? Alright, I just got out of the gym. Gold's Gym. Today it wasn't a good day. Like, I feel really ugly right now. Really, really ugly right now. So yeah. Man, I look horrible on camera. And a lot of you are probably saying, you just noticed that? Like, why do you, like, if y'all view me, why do y'all want to look at this ugly face? Or maybe it's just the light. Now you can't even see me. If I go like this, aha. But yeah, I don't know. I couldn't do anything today. I couldn't work out. Like, I tried. I felt crappy. Like, usually when I bench, I go all the way up to 270. Yeah, around 270. And yeah, but what it's called today, I only went up to 225. Yeah, my phone just died. So yeah. I'll see y'all later. Y'all can't see me. You can't see me.